As the air gets chillier and the nights grow longer, all the little boys and ghouls want to know just one thing. Can we start selling for Halloween yet? What's going on, folks? It's Tyler from Printify, and the spookiest time of the year is almost here. And if you're wondering what Halloween-themed products you can add to your online store, then here are 6 niches you can start scaring up ideas for right away. Get them started young with Halloween-themed designs for babies. Whether it's for Mama's Little Pumpkin, Daddy's Baby Boo, or even items for expecting parents, try adding some punny text designs or cute characters to baby bodysuits or tees. So go ahead and give parents the perfect photo op to tease their kids about for years to come. Halloween parties aren't the only invites people get this time of year. There's also fall weddings. And where there's a wedding, there's definitely a bachelorette party. So combine retro chic designs with Halloween themes on tees, sweatshirts, and party favors. These are 2 sub-niches that each sell really well. So try combining them and appeal to both. And while we're at it, let's not leave out everybody's favorite fur babies either. Think about all the folks who take their pets out with them when they go trick-or-treating. Why not get them involved too with specially printed bandanas, collars, tags, or even hoodies? So try pattern designs or personalized items and give those pets a chance to stand out too. Don't forget, there's more to Halloween than costumes and candy. There's also spooky stories, especially for all the book lovers looking for products to celebrate all that this holiday has to offer. So create the perfect hoodie to snuggle up with a book. Combining traditional Halloween imagery with book themes will let your buyers read in peace. Whether you like it or not, aliens and UFOs have been in the news a lot lately. And if there's one thing we know about a trend, is that they're a great opportunity to sell big, especially considering there's not a lot of products out there that cater to both niches. In fact, less than 2,000 search results come up if you try looking it up on Etsy. So why not create a path for yourself and try offering something a little different? Finally, what is Halloween if not a time to let your great decorating skills speak for themselves, which is why home decor items are must-haves for most people this season. Try offering door signs using frame canvases to greet all those trick-or-treaters, or even specialty balloons to really bring that Halloween spirit back from the dead. Remember, Halloween is a holiday where people really appreciate creativity, but it's also a great opportunity to cross-sell and upsell items as much as you can. So try to Halloweenize those pre-existing items and you might be surprised at how much you can sell. By the way, see that subscribe button down there? Go ahead and click that if you like this video. Comment any questions you have down below, and follow Printify for more tips to succeed with your online store.